Hi, I'm Chef Carol with McCain Foods. Bringing a new dish to your menu does not have to be a challenge. Today we are going to create the Angry Pig Loaded Tots utilizing items from top manufacturers. Plus, being a Dining Alliance member, you're going to get cash back on all cases from any of these items we're using today. Let's get started using our Smoke and Fast pulled pork from Smithfield. What I like about this, it's 2.5 pound portion bags where you can boil in bag, you can put it in a steamer, or you can put it in a saute pan and add your sauces to it. We've already warmed some, and we're gonna add our Cattleman's Kansas City Classic Barbecue Sauce. It's got that great combination of tanginess from the vinegar, molasses, and that sweetness. It also has no high fructose corn syrup. Set this aside, and we're gonna move on to our next item. This is the McCain Orita Tater Tots. They're great potato flavor, and you can use them across your menu. Today we're gonna use them as a foundation to our Angry Pig Loaded Tots. We'll start by frying these up. Now that we have our tots fried up, we are now gonna season them with the McCormick Cajun seasoning. What I love about this spice, it's a little bit of Southern Louisiana. You've got the garlic, paprika, onion, and red pepper. Give it a quick toss. And now to assembly. We're gonna pile these nice and high. We're gonna take our pulled pork and we're gonna sprinkle this over the top. And now we're gonna add our pepper jack cheese. This is gonna give it that nice spiciness. Now we're gonna melt the cheese. You can do it one of two ways. You can put it in an oven or you can put it in the salamander. Now that our cheese is nice and gooey, we're gonna make our Cholula cream sauce. The Cholula hot sauce is a great blend of Mexican spices and chili peppers to make a great seasoned spicy hot sauce. And we're gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna drizzle it over the top. Don't be shy. And to finish it off, we've got pickled onions that are gonna give it that nice acidity. And to make it even angrier, we're adding our jalapenos. You can use pickled or fresh. And there you have it, the Angry Pig Loaded Tots, sure to make your customers very happy.